ba quarter na nanam do yeshona wanya fie be said you watche and nine adidinde Malam Yusuf na ni nyina no eye eneyi operatives of national security for ya one more Daboya wo North Gonja Mensimo Savannah Mantamu one more operation bia one more ye enenam so amaba kwa afemu ahwere ne nkwa ne yakoso ho no Adom TV Kasee etwaso
ene ayo homobobo sume de toso dunum wa fimpino ne dunum yensanimo no impanyifo bia wo moka national security ne ho e Daboya ye no one North Gonja Mensimo ne mu Savannah Mantam ne mu edi operations bi hye so Mantam ne mu na bro de kogu ye no Malam Yusuf wedding finshane du watwe enai eto na nanom e wonsie do yampanyifo na bi nso de aposefo ayire wo mo pachi enye wonko a ohene baako ne assemblyman bia aposefo nkrata wondi yakwakopie mu ya wohwehwe wo mu eso de won ho akanwura oguso epe won de kira kwan wonsimi nyina mu no Idrisu Sulemana abekasa abo kire se woni anigye mu nanso mmra de eyemra enti ode obu ne ni de ebe mamra no esanse de wo mo ye no beboa na asomdue atumi de hene e Daboya ene mantam ne mu nyina.
That is mischievous and then misleading and then more creating more tension in Savannah region and then Daboya man can go as a whole because this arrest happened in Lukula and Varon. Really, they arrested people from Lukula to Daboya. We engaged a lawyer. The lawyer bailed them. And if you have other suspects, give their names to the lawyer who bailed the 118 suspects. They bailed not only the people from Daboya, they arrested people from Mankaru, people from Linguisi, people from Disa. The day of arrest, they were not asking wherever you were coming from. They arrested Mampursi, they arrested Templeman, they arrested Gonjes. Me as a party leader, we went and hired a lawyer. And then the lawyer bailed all of them, all the 118. So now, if you have other suspects and you want to arrest them, we have the lawyer. The traditional council is there, who engage the police security and plead with them to be patient. They will look through it. Why can't you, the police, respect Yobonwura, respect all the chiefs, and then tell the chief that you still have some suspects? They should help you.